morning. I am Peyton, and this is Watchtree News. Our breaking news of the day.
Watchtree Nature Reserve are one of 5 finalists in the National Lottery Community Fund People's Projects competition. The People's Projects gives you the chance to decide how national lottery funding can make a difference in your local community. The National Lottery Community Fund, ITV, STV and the National Lottery shortlisted 5 projects in each region to go forward to the public vote. The 3 projects that receive the most votes in each region will receive £50,000. Now we need your help to secure the National Lottery funding in our region. If you would like to help Watchtree in securing £50,000 for their Learning the World project, you can go to the link provided in the post. Go to www.thepeoplesprojects.org.uk and click on the border region. Voting begins on April the 1st. Let us know if you have voted by sending us a photo or a message with #VoteWatchtree. Happy voting!
We have winner at Watchtree to find more about the competition.
Our project is called Watchtree Wild Learning, and it's all about getting people from across Cumbria outside to learn in the great outdoors. If we're successful with this voting campaign, we would like to employ an education officer here at Watchtree. We'd like to improve the spaces for learning around the reserve, such as our pond dipping platform and the Forest Schools area in Pond Wood. And we'd like to create a pop-up classroom that we can set up in various different areas of the reserves depending on the season and which habitats we wanted to study.
Bye. Bye. Thank you, I am Peyton. You have been watching Watchtree News.